In a colorful cartoon town, animals loved to talk, sing, and shout. But there was one rule. Never trust Vex the fox. They said he could steal voices. One morning, the loudest parrot in town opened his beak. No sound. Then the frogs, the monkeys, the dogs, one by one, animals lost their voices. Panic spread. Find Vex. The guards roared. Deep in a quiet alley, they found him. Calm, silent, holding a glowing jar filled with tiny whispers. "Why are you doing this?" the chief demanded. Vex didn't answer. He just opened the jar. Suddenly, all the voices rushed back to their owners at once. The town exploded with noise again. Everyone froze. What was the point? Someone asked. Vex finally spoke softly. You only notice your voice when it's gone. The animals went quiet. For the first time ever, the noisy town listened. Vex turned and disappeared into the crowd. And from that day on, the loudest place in the world learned how to be just a little quieter.